Damn ghost cat's here. He took my... As you see, I got a couple of Dutch ovens myself here that I want to start using again. This thing here that I built for the kids in their BB gun, I'm thinking about recreating it, rebuilding it as a regular permanent fireplace to replace this old relic here. This thing is something that a great uncle of mine built, or had built, that owned the house before us. And we had a tree service guy come and drop a tree on it and fucked it all up. So I've been debating trying to rebuild it, but the mortar that's in there is so bad. I've been slowly taking it apart here, and I'm going to keep the concrete slab that's there and build off of that, recreate that other thing over here as temporary, and if I like it, maybe we'll have it cemented up properly. So I'll bring you in on this part of this demo now that I got a sledgehammer. £12-pound hammer.
What's he doing? What are you doing?
I'm looking for night crawlers. What do you think?
What is he doing? What are we gonna have fires in? Same stuff or... Dad, I hope you know some of those bricks have names on them and dates on them. Harley, get out here.
Manufacturing.
What?
Nothing.
Get in the pool. Get in the fracking pool. Yeah, you rat. Get in the pool, man. Rat. Yes!
Some of these have dates on it, names on it. Alamo 6684. Alamo 6684. Must be the date and the manufacturer. I think you guys get the idea of this. Change your angles up for you. I'm not stopping the film, obviously. Put you over here in the shade. Only spot in the whole fireplace that's got some decent mortar on it still. The rest of it's all dry rotted.
Okay, you gotta dream about that. That's how people make sure when I was
If I had the tractor here, it'd be done by now. I'd just push the whole freaking thing over to banking. Chatter you hear over there sounds like a bunch of goddamn chipmunks. Is the kids in their pool over there. Okay, obviously this part here is going to be a bitch. That motor there is the strongest motor in the whole darn thing. So then of course it's ramped up here underneath the ash. It ramps up a little bit. That's all motor. So I'm going to try to take that out of there too. And I'm going to pause this and show you when it's all cleaned up. I got lucky there, bro. All right, I'll get the hammer back out, get that cleaned off, raked out, and bring it back. Okay, that's what we got now. It's all cleaned up. Don't look too bad. That concrete slab is pretty level. And this here is a piece of marble. I thought maybe I can take it out and level it up to the concrete there, but if you notice, it's all been shattered through the years. So if I move that, it's just going to crumble and it's going to look like hell. I thought maybe I can even just, you know, flip it over if it wasn't too bad. Cracks you can deal with, but it's actually apart. When I cleaned it up there, I noticed things are moving, so I'm just going to leave it right there. And we'll call this part 1 of the new fireplace thing. I'm going to get this thing built and start cooking out here in the Dutch oven. It'll be awesome. All right, stay tuned for part 2. We didn't need any blasting crews for that concrete. I just used full blunt force muscle to do this shit. I don't need no dynamite. Sweat my ass off doing it though. Okay, I don't know what I was thinking doing 2 parts of this, or 3. But this is where I got so far. Let me shut this music off. Copyright music. Anyway. I don't know, this is kind of like a trial cigarette here. I had to use some blocks, bricks. Sorry for the wind. Picking up here. I got the vents in there, and this is just temporary. See how I like it, and then someday I'll extend the pad and do it upright. You know, dig down, throw some gravel in there, and extend the pad wider. But in the meantime, this will work. I'm not sure if I got enough block to keep coming out here. I like to go one more, and then taper it off around the top and back, but we'll see how it goes. Alright, I think this is what I'm going to do. I squared up the corners. Looks a little bit better. And I still kept the width of the whole thing. The only thing I got to do now is either use pressure treated lumber to put along the top here, or go ahead and get some pavers that'll fit on there. But I'd have to get smaller ones that fit. I either cut them in half, or I don't know how they come. They're 8-inch. All 8-inch square ones would work. I just buy 2, 4, 6, 7, 14 of them. Maybe 16. Go across the top. So that's it. That works for me. We'll burn up that cardboard over there a little bit, see how it drafts and everything.